Welcome to video number 256 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. And this video is especially for Jyoti, an enthusiastic language learner, who pointed out that quite often she hears the ana as a word ending. Even you all will get to hear this often. And these videos are created based on your interest and your interest to learn. So keep asking questions and I'll keep making videos. What is ana? Podumana, Aragana, Siripana. This is what Jyoti is asking about. As you all know, there was a slow period for this channel in the last few months, but let's try to make up for the lost time together. For the newcomers to this channel, we have an Instagram which is Learn Tamil 1, and the YouTube channel is at Learn Tamil 1. And we also have a Telegram which will greatly help you to learn as a group. So group learning or team learning is the best way to learn, as you will have people of all levels exchanging ideas. The suffix ana, which Jyoti mentioned, which when added to a noun can serve somewhat similar to the English adjective. Podum means enough and podumana means to a sufficient level. She has money to the level of sufficiency, or simply she has sufficient money. Avakitta podumana kasu irukku. Avakitta podumana kasu irukku. Another example, thevai means need and thevayana means to a needed amount. Just imagine the mom telling her daughter, it is enough if you buy to a needful amount. So this is she's on a shopping spree in Amazon shopping, and hence her mother is saying, தேவையான அளவுக்கு வாங்கினா போதும். It is enough if you buy to a needed amount. தேவையான அளவுக்கு, to the needed amount, வாங்கினா போதும். It is enough if you buy. அவசரம் is urgent. அவசரமான, of urgent in nature or urgently. அவசரமான. Some urgent work, it seems. He just went away without saying. Yedo some அவசரமான வேலையாம். Urgent work, it seems. சொல்லாம கொள்ளாம போயிட்டான். He went away without saying. So this blue highlighted words is a very native style. I'm going to highlight them in blue color hereafter. So when you speak, you can add a lot of native style words. So Sollama poitam, that's fine, but sollama kollama is completely without informing. It is actually sollikama or sollikollama, which has become sollama kollama. I'm giving you a lot of native insider information. So all cheat sheets to quickly speak like a native. Some urgent work, it seems. He just went away without saying. Here, ava is used instead of avaru for a grown-up man. Why? Probably the father is talking about the son. Then it's absolutely okay. ஏதோ அவசரமான வேலையாம், சொல்லாம கொள்ளாம போயிட்டான். And if you see below, the ana is very, very commonly heard sound. That is why Jyoti probably asked about it. Just see here, urgent, the English word, and people add ana to it, and it becomes urgent ana. Speed ana car, irritating ana aalu, cute ana koranda, that's a cute child. You hear it too very often. You have saved me during a crisis or a dangerous time. I'm indebted to you always. ஆபத்தான நேரத்தில் வந்து coming during a difficult time, எனக்கு கை கொடுத்தீங்க. You gave a helping hand. உங்களுக்கு, to you, என்னைக்குமே நான் கடன் பட்டிருக்கேன். I'm always indebted. I'm hereafter going to break sentences like this. Word chunks. And please try to utter that in the same way as small phrases instead of word by word. That helps you with making different phrases easily. ஆபத்தான நேரத்தில் வந்து எனக்கு கை கொடுத்தீங்க. உங்களுக்கு என்னைக்குமே நான் கடன் பட்டிருக்கேன். For his cheap action, he should have been kicked out right then. அவன் செஞ்ச கீழ்த்தரமான காரியத்துக்கு, for the cheap thing he did, அவனை அப்பவே, right then, செருப்பால் அடித்து துரத்து இருக்கணும். Should have chased off beating with slippers. I'm translating almost word to word so you can think like a Tamil speaker. And the way I break the sentence may seem unusual, that is him, right then. But if you learn it as a complete sentence, you will get the idea that, and that is how Tamilians will break the sentence. அவன் செஞ்ச கீழ்த்தரமான காரியத்துக்கு அவனை அப்பவே செருப்பால் அடித்து துரத்தி இருக்கணும். அவன் செஞ்ச கீழ்த்தரமான காரியத்துக்கு அவனை அப்பவே செருப்பால் அடித்து துரத்தி இருக்கணும். You can also modify verbs, and when placed before a noun, it will get the following meaning. சொல்ல, to say. சொல்லுறது, the telling. And சொல்லறதுக்கான, the need to tell. You will understand better when you see a couple of examples. To make it easier for you to understand, it will be good for you to learn the gerund or verbal noun. It is video number 244 and you will find the link if you click here on top. Now let us go to the example of converting verbs to mean the below phrases. சொல்ல, சொல்லுறதுக்கு, ஆன, சொல்றதுக்கான. சொல்றதுக்கான அவசியம் இல்லை. சொல்லல. There was no reason to tell, hence I did not tell. சொல்றதுக்கான அவசியம் இல்லை, சொல்லல. போக is go. போகிறதுக்கான or போறதுக்கான, requiring to go. I did not get the opportunity to go, hence I did not go. போறதுக்கான, requiring to go, வாய்ப்பு வரல. The opportunity did not arise. அதனால, hence, அவன் போகல. He did not go. போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு வரல, அதனால அவன் போகல. போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு வரல, அதனால அவன் போகல. We'll see some vocabulary that makes it easy for you to understand when you watch this ana in the movies or TV shows when used with different words. Superana is the English word super, and Superana movie means superb movie. Similarly, Niraivana Varkai, content life. Semayana car, it's a superb wow car. This is a colloquial term. Aruvayana kada, boring story. Adakkamana ponnu, humble or modest girl. Timirana pombala, arrogant women. And some verbs that are converted to this style. சந்திக்கிறதுக்கான அவசியம் வரல. There hasn't come the necessity to meet. அவன் சத்தம் போட்டதுக்கான காரணம் என்ன? What was the reason for his yelling? See, here it is past tense. So you can also change the tense, and that comes with a little practice. தூங்குறதுக்கான வசதி அங்க இல்ல. It is not comfortable enough for sleeping there. Now, a small little brain gym for you. What was the reason for shouting? You know how to translate this from the earlier slide. What was? And try to convert it into what is the reason for his shouting using ana. What is the reason for his shouting?